When it comes to investing in stock, it's always a good idea to get some ideas from other people already successful at it. Having a peek at their collections and comparing portfolios might lead us to make better investing choices. There are certain sources we can look into, such as billionaires, celebrities, and even high-ranking officials. According to the Stock Act of April 2012, U.S. politicians must submit a periodic transaction report detailing their stock trading activity to the public within 45 days of the transaction. The official websites of the U.S. House of Representatives and the U.S. Senate both have access to these reports. And this is why today we're going to be able to talk about Nancy Pelosi's stock portfolio. 5 latest stock to consider. We won't make you wait any longer and get right into it with number 5, PayPal Holdings Incorporated. NASDAQ PYPL. Digital payments is the specialization of company PayPal Holdings Incorporated. According to a financial disclosure report, Pelosi purchased 5,000 shares of PayPal Holdings Incorporated stock in January 2022 by exercising a 50 call options for a total purchase price between $500,000 and $1 million. The report is dated in late February 2022, and the speaker has personally signed it. On June 20th, Truist analyst Andrew Jeffrey kept PayPal Holdings Incorporated shares at a hold rating and dropped the price objective to $80 from $85, citing that the company was losing U.S.-branded SMB market share to digital native competitors. 100 hedge funds and Insider Monkey's database had interest in PayPal Holdings Incorporated at the end of the first quarter of 2022, down from 110 at the end of the previous quarter, which had stakes totaling $9.9 billion. Number 4. The Walt Disney Company, NYSE DIS. The Walt Disney Company is a business that provides entertainment. According to information that is publicly available, she exercised 100 call options, 10,000 shares, with a $100 strike price on the Walt Disney Company stock in late January of this year for a total value between $1 million and $5 million. On July 7th, CT analyst Jason Bazinet maintained a buy recommendation on the Walt Disney Company shares, but decreased his price target from $165 to $145, citing concerns about the impending recession as the reason for the decline in the value of media and entertainment companies. The Walt Disney Company had interests held by 113 hedge funds and Insider Monkey's database at the end of the first quarter of 2022, up from 111 at the end of the previous quarter, with stakes worth $6.9 billion. Number 3, Apple Incorporated, NASDAQ AAPL. As all of us know, consumer electronics are sold by Apple Incorporated. Mandatory filings from the beginning of June reveal that Pelosi bought 100 call options on Apple Incorporated shares in mid-May 2022 for between $500,000 and $1 million. The options are set to expire in March 2023. On July 1st, Morgan Stanley analyst Katie Huberty maintained an overweight rating on Apple Incorporated shares with a $185 price target, pointing out that the App Store's net revenue was increasing compared to the prior year. In the Insider Monkey database at the end of the first quarter of 2022, 131 hedge funds had interest in Apple Incorporated worth $182 billion, down from 134 at the end of the previous quarter, with stakes at $186 billion. Number 2, Alphabet Incorporated, NASDAQ GOOG. Technology company Alphabet Incorporated, NASDAQ GOOG, offers a variety of products. Pelosi bought 10 call options valued between $500,000 and $1 million in Alphabet Incorporated stock in mid-December 2021, according to a regulatory filing from late last year. The options have a $2,000 strike price. On July 7th, Evercore ISI analyst Mark Mahaney maintained an outperform rating on Alphabet Incorporated stock, but decreased the price target from $3,300 to $3,110. He did this because he believed that large-cap internet stocks were being negatively impacted by inflation and recession risk. With 2.3 million shares valued at more than $6.6 billion, London-based investment company TCI Fund Management leads the hedge funds, being followed by Insider Monkey in their ownership of Alphabet Incorporated. Number 1, Microsoft Corporation, MSFT. Technology company Microsoft Corporation is based in Washington. Pelosi bought 40 call option shares for between $250,000 and $500,000 in Microsoft Corporation stock in May of this year. According to a periodic transaction report from June 2022, the options expire in June 2023 with a $180 strike price. And that concludes Nancy Pelosi's stock portfolio update of 2022. Did anything stand out to you? What do you think of her portfolio? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, take care, and we'll see you next time.